Hello friend, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to create modern 3D logo using CorelDraw step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to hit on the subscribe. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can create this powerful modern 3D logo using your CorelDraw. First step to take is to go to your toolbar right here and click and hold down and make sure you choose 2-point line. Then you have to press shift key and draw a perfect 2-point line, just like what you see right here. So you need to make a duplicate of it. You have to select on it with your right click and drag to the bottom. Then you have to choose copy here. This allows you to make a duplicate, or you press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to make a duplicate. Now, having make a duplicate, the next thing you need to do is to come to your toolbar again. Right here, we have to click and hold down. This time around, you have to choose your blend tools. So having choose your blend, then you have to come from you can blend from the bottom to the top. But before that, you need to make sure that your blend interval, your blend rate is 7. Then you can select on any point of the shape of the stroke, and you have to blend together with the bottom stroke. So you are going to have stuff like this. Okay, so next thing you need to do is to press P to centralize. Then you can break apart of this stroke. For you to do that, just have to go to Object from the Home tab right here. Then you have to look for break blend apart. Now, having break them apart, the next thing you need to do is to come to the Home tab right here. Make sure you click on Group all the object. Okay, next thing you need to do is to make a duplicate of this. For you to do that, you just press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V again. This allows you to paste the duplicate. Next thing you need to do is to double click on the duplicate. Then once you double click, you have to come to the Home tab right here, and at the point here you need to type in 120 and press enter. Okay, you are going to have stuff like this. Next thing you need to do is to make another duplicate. For you to do that, just press Ctrl Z, then Ctrl V again. This allows you to make a paste. Then you can flip to mirror vertical. So you are going to have stuff like this. Okay. So next thing you need to do is to go back to your toolbar at the point here. Click and hold down and make sure you choose Virtual Segment Delete. So having choose Virtual Segment Delete, you have to make some count. 1, 2, 3. So you have to stop at the count of third. Then you start from the count of fourth. Then you have to press Hotkey on your keyboard, and you have to drag. You press Hotkey and drag straight down this way. Then you have to start from here also. Press Hotkey on your keyboard, then drag and cross it this way and this way. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to come down below right here and click on hold down and make sure you choose Smart Fill. So having choose your Smart Fill, you can apply it this way. Then you have to press Shift key and select the second shape. Then come down below here and make sure you choose right click. Okay. So next thing you need to do is to apply color to the logo. So for you to do that, just have to press select color to be sky blue. So having choose your sky blue color, next thing you need to do is to select the two logo shape, Shift key and select this, and press Ctrl J to group, then Ctrl C to make a copy. Okay. So having make a copy, next thing you need to do is to select all this shape. So you can easily select everything this way and press delete key on your keyboard. So having make it delete, you have to press Ctrl V to paste the original logo shape. So you have to come to the home tab again. Make sure you ungroup all the objects. So having ungroup all the objects, next thing you need to do is to fall back to the logo shape. So this time around, you have to come to the tools bar right here and make sure you choose your transparent tools. Having choose your transparent tool, make sure you choose fonting. So with that, you are going to have stuff like this. Okay, so you can adjust how you want the effect to appear on the logo. So you can select on the second shape of the logo and go back to your transparent. So this time around, I will just make a copy from here. Boom. Then you can select everything. This time around, you have to come to the home tab right here and make sure you group. Okay, so next thing you need to do is to make a duplicate of this shape into 3 equal parts. So let's press Ctrl plus to zoom out the entire shape so we'll be able to see what we are doing. Ctrl plus again. Next thing I'm going to do is to double click on the shape. This is going to give me an opportunity to have my rotation pane. Next thing you need to do is to come down below right here and make sure you press Ctrl key down. So double click on here and then you come right here and make sure you press Ctrl key down and rotate in 120 degree. And place with your right click, then press Ctrl R to make another duplicate. So this time around, you need to adjust your logo shape. You can drag them out one after the other. So this allows you to perfect your logo shape. So we snap this to the bottom right here and make sure it snap. Then we have to select this third one and make sure it snap right here. Okay, we can press Ctrl minus to zoom in the entire shape. So we can select all the logo shape right now and press Ctrl J to group them. Then we can press P to centralize. You can also increase the logo size. This is depends on what exactly you are looking for. Finally, you have to come to the tools bar again, double click on the page border to create a page border. Then you have to add 10% black. That's give you a kind of a light gray. Then you have to come down here and make sure you remove the stroke. Lastly, you have to come to your transparent tools right here and make sure you choose your fonting. So this time around, you have to choose radial. Then you can control how you want the radial to appear on the logo, just like what you see right here. You can press Ctrl minus to zoom into the entire shape. So guys, this is how you can create modern 3D logo step-by-step tutorial using your CorelDraw without any stress. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up and also remember to click on the subscribe for more tutorial like this in CorelDraw. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. How it's supposed to feel.